Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. So you use one of the latest Apple iPhone XS or XS Max devices running iOS 12 and you are wondering how you can make the maximum out of your iPhone, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 10 awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your iPhone. So if you're excited for that, smash that subscribe button right now and let's get started with today's video. The first tip on the iPhone XS Max is regarding Face ID. Last year with the iPhone X, Apple only let you set one face for Face ID, but this time around with Face ID, Apple is actually letting you set an alternate appearance, so someone else can actually go ahead and register for Face Unlock and you can have a total of 2 faces on your new iPhone right now. This is a new option that is brought in on iOS 12, so this is even available on the iPhone X. So the setup process is simple. You just have to go ahead and scan your face and it works like a charm. The second tip is you can actually go ahead and edit up the portrait mode pictures on your iPhone to a great extent this time around with the iPhone XS Max. You can go ahead and auto-tune the picture, or you can go ahead and select between any of the portrait mode options that are available, or change the depth profile, or change the bokeh at the back from f1.4 to f16. So you can adjust the blur at the back easily by making use of that. Not only can you add filters or make manual adjustments, but you can also do more with this. The next tip on the iPhone XS Max is on certain compatible applications such as settings, emails, messages. You can actually use the device in landscape mode. So if you want to make proper use of that big screen on your iPhone XS Max, this could be a great way to make use of this big screen. In the next tip, let me show you how you can easily scan any QR code on your iPhone running iOS 12. So you just have to open up the camera, and then if you have any QR code, just hold it so that the camera can see it, and the camera will automatically give you the link to access that website. If by any chance it doesn't seem to be working for you, you can go into settings under camera and enable this option. So I've actually detailed this a lot in my iPhone XS Max camera guide, which you can find down below in the description as well. So if you want to know how to change that setting, definitely go ahead and check out that video to learn everything about that. Next up, let me show you how you can easily capture a screenshot on your iPhone XS Max. So all you have to do is go ahead and hit on the volume down button and the power button, and the screenshot will be easily captured. This time around on iOS 12, after capturing the screenshot, you actually have fine control over the picture. You can edit it, you can draw on top of it, or you can annotate it the way you want, and then you can go ahead and share it across to anyone that you want. You can even add in a text or a signature or a symbol. So it's pretty easy for you to make the maximum out of this, and after you make any type of adjustment that you want, you can go ahead and send it to anyone that you want. Undoubtedly, the iPhone XS Max is a big device, so this is why reachability is an option that you must enable on your iPhone. So in order to enable this, you need to go into settings, or you can easily search for reachability and enable that as well. Once you have reachability enabled, you can swipe down gently on the gesture bar indicator and the reachability mode will open up. You can use this no matter where you are to make the maximum out of one hand use on your iPhone XS Max. On iOS 12, we got the support for personally customizable Emojis. So if you open up the Messages app and access the Emojis area, now you can create your own avatar by making use of the Emoji function that is built into iOS. So here you can change the skin color, the hairstyle, the head shape, the eyes, the eyebrows, the nose, ears, and you can change up almost everything about the face and make it look exactly the way you want, or you can go ahead and use any of the new emojis that are available on the iPhone XS Max as well, and go ahead and record anything you want. On iOS 12 we also got support for tongue detection, so you can do fancy things with your tongue here. Next up, let me show you how you can manually adjust the notification settings on the iPhone. So you have to just go into the notification settings area, and once you're inside app, you can go ahead and adjust the notifications for that particular app the way you want, and you can even adjust to show the notifications always, or you can make it show only when the device is unlocked, or you can completely get rid of notification previews. On iOS 12 we got a new setting called screen time, and on screen time it will actually show how much of time you spend on your device, and it will show up all the stats for all of your things. It will categorize it based on your creativity, entertainment, social networking and all of that, and it will show you the stats so that you can judge how much use you put into the device and if you actually need to control it. You can even restrict content and make fine controls over here, so definitely check it out. If you're running out of juice on your new iPhone, definitely go ahead and make use of the low power mode that is available on the iPhone XS Max. So by enabling this, you can get the maximum out of your battery, and under battery settings you can even see how much battery you have been getting on your iPhone. You can see the stats in detail, and if you go into the battery health mode, it will show you the maximum capacity of the battery and the health of the battery. Well guys, those are some awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your iPhone. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash the like button, and definitely hit on the subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. I've done a bunch more tech videos just like this in my channel. Definitely go ahead and check them out at youtube.com/Andro Dollar. And I've also done a complete camera guide for the iPhone, so definitely check out that video as well. I will link it down below in the description. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.